Here's how to convert multiple images into one PDF. So I use an app called ConvertSave that I created with my brother. It's a file converter that does audio, video, and image file conversions, including taking images and creating multi-page PDFs. So if we have a bunch of images over here, and they can even be different types of images, I can drag them in either one at a time, and this is creating the order of my PDF, or I can click and select both a couple here. So let me select ones that I don't already have. So these two right here, and I can bring those in, and it just brings them in that order. This is the order of your PDF that you're creating, and all you have to do is select your output. So we scroll down a little bit. We've got PDF, which is just individual PDFs, or we've got multi-page right here. And so we're going to combine all these images into one PDF. Hit convert, and it's going to save it right next to where all those files were. And it's going to be the same name as the original first image, so whatever the first page is. And so we're going to hit spacebar on that, and you've got basically this PDF that has these different pages in it that's each different image, which of course they have different image sizes and stuff too. But that's how I convert images to PDF now. And I've actually done this with like my driver's license. The first thing I thought of was, hey, ConvertSave. It works on desktop. It works on Mac and Windows. I can just click and drag. And it was like the quickest process for me to take a picture on my phone of my front and back of my license, bring it into my computer, and just drag it on over and convert it. Boom. I had a PDF that I could upload to the site that I was trying to upload like official forms to, right? And so my brother and I created this. He's a software developer. We're still working on it, but you can check it out at the link in the description, or just go to convertsave.com. I appreciate your support, you guys. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.